Guys, you wonder why I'm cool? Because I can do stuff like this. I'm a Squid Game character now. And this is normal. Well, not really, because I'm like. But now I'm just a master of Squad Game. Let's go. Now, I'm all of the chill. Wait, no. I'm just a chill guy. Oh, yeah. But now I'm doing this thing. I don't know. I don't even know what this is. I don't even know. What is happening? Oh, come on. Last thing. I'm in call with all my bros. Oh, yeah.